that can help you out. The second question that I got is, I feel like I am destined to be a bum. I have always had a hard time staying motivated in school. I am failing some of my classes and everyone expects more out of me than the effort that I put out. I don't have any motivation. I don't see myself finding something anytime soon. I don't know what I'm going to college for. I feel like I'm destined to become a bum. I don't have any hobbies. I don't have anything I'm passionate about. I seriously don't do anything with my life, and I don't have any friends, and I don't know what to do. So what I want to tell you is that, number one, most people are feeling like this, so you don't need to feel like you're alone. But one of the things that I would like to tell people is that you create the environment that you live in. You lay in the bed that you make. If you feel like a bum, if you create a culture of losing around you, of course you are going to become a bum. You have to be able to change your mindset, because if you tell yourself every single day that I'm a bum, I have no hobbies, I have no friends, you're going to create a culture of negativity around you that rewards losing. But you have to be able to flip that into a positive light. You have talents. You have something special about you. You had something special about you. I know you did. I'm going to look at you and I'm going to tell you everybody in this world has something special about them. Everybody has a talent. Everybody has a gift. But what's happened is that the world, social media, has stomped that goal out. Has completely stomped out people's dreams to where now they get up and they feel like they are a loser. They feel like they have nothing. They feel like they're a bum. So when it comes time for you to actually look yourself in the mirror, what do you think you're going to tell yourself? What do you think you're going to tell yourself? You wake up every day. If you wake up in a negative environment, of course, you're going to think negatively about yourself. You are not a bum. You are not a failure. I'm going to look everybody in their eyes and tell them that you are not a failure. You are more powerful than you think. You are special. You have gifts. You have talents. Don't let the world win. Don't let negativity win. Want to know why? Because negativity is winning right now. They are laughing because you are digging yourself a hole. You're digging yourself a negative hole, and they are laughing at you while you're just constantly digging yourself into a negative hole. And then when it comes time to pick yourself out, they walk away. They let you sit in there. They watch you try to climb out. They watch you try to improve your life. But when you fall back, they're right there laughing at you. Don't let misery win. Do not let misery, do not let negativity win today, tomorrow, next year, ever. Because they will forever be in your life. Negativity will always be in your life, but you have to be able to learn how to deflect it. You have to be able to learn how to see it, realize it, and deflect it. You are always going to feel like you're not doing enough. Everybody feels like they're not doing enough. But if you build your heart up in a positive light, when situations like that come, when thoughts like that arise, you're able to deflect it. But if you keep telling yourself in a negative culture that you are a bum, you are a failure, you are only going to be hurting yourself and nobody else. It doesn't feel good to think negatively about yourself. I've been there. It does not feel good. And I know it doesn't feel good for you. But you have to be able to break this cycle and tell yourself that you can. Tell yourself that you can and you will become successful. I am not a failure. I am not my flaws. I am better than that. I am a better human being than that. I love myself for who I am. I love my flaws and I love the things that I'm good at. Until you can tell yourself that, you're never going to be able to even step foot into success, because you're going to walk around like a broken vessel. You don't want to walk around life like you're a broken vessel. How many times do I need to say this? If you're going to walk around life like a broken vessel, of course you're going to start to feel, you're going to create a negative crowd. You're creating a negative aura around yourself. So who wants to be a part of that? A lot of times most people don't have a lot of friends because you are carrying a negative cloud around you. You got to be able to cheer yourself up. You got to be able to build yourself up. You are confident. You are strong. You're beautiful. Whatever you need to tell yourself. That time, when the time comes for you to present yourself to the world, you want the world to fall in love with you. You want people to fall in love with you for you. But if you're carrying around a negative cloud, what do you think is going to happen? You've manifested the reason why you have no friends. It's because of you right now. That's a hard thing to think about, but you have to break that cycle. Once you're able to break the cycle and understand why you are here, why you are the way you are acting, once you realize the storm that you created, it's much easier to fix. But if you keep telling yourself lies, if you keep telling yourself that, oh, maybe it's something else, maybe it's not me, you're going to constantly be in the cycle of negativity. So right now, everybody, 95% of your peers or everybody is in a negative place. You're in a low state. What I want you to do is that you need to understand it and realize that negativity will always be in your life, but you have to be able to build your guard, build your shield around it. You have to be able to understand why it's happening. Love why it's happening. Love the cycle, because again, now I'm going to say it, life moves in cycles. You're going to have sunny days, you're going to have dark days, you're going to have cloudy days, you're going to have rainy days. But you have to anticipate it and not just think about life as that once you become successful, you're happy. It's not like that. It's not all sunshine. It's not all darkness. So you have to understand that and be able to love all of the aspects about yourself. If you lack self-love, this is an exercise that you need to do. You need to put down your phone, get off social media, go outside, get a journal and write down the positive things about you, write down the negative things about you. And I want you to go through every single one of them and be okay with it. I want you to love every single part on that list. We're not all going to be perfect. Nobody's perfect here. If I wrote down all my positive traits and all my flaws, a lot of times our flaws you could write down way longer than your positive traits. I want you to write down all of the positive things and make the list equal. I want you to figure out what makes you happy, what are the positive traits about you. I want you to figure that out. Because we have way more positive traits than you have negative traits. Do not let the negative dominate your life. Don't let the negative win. Don't let the negative take all of your joy away. Once you allow the negative to take all your joy away, it's going to keep feeding on you. It's like a parasite. That parasite will never go away unless you break the cycle. And you have to completely break the cycle. How do you beat negativity? What's the opposite of negativity? Love. What's the opposite of hate? Love. You have to be able to clean your soul. Like anything, you have to be able to clean your soul. Remove all the negative things about it, because it's like a revolving door. These negative things are going to keep coming. But you have to be able to deal with them, love them, and then just clean them out. But you're more powerful than you think. I'm going to tell you this. We are more powerful than we think. We have the ability to do anything we want on this planet. Don't let life stomp out your goals. Don't let life take your motivation. Don't let don't take yourself out. Because I'm telling you, once you flip the script, once you're on the positive side, you'll realize that you can do anything. You can be an astronaut, you can be an entertainer, whatever you want to do in life, you can do. It's all right here. But you cannot allow life to take it away. Don't allow life to take it away, please. And I'm telling you that you're powerful, you're smart, you're confident. You have to unlock those things. You have to unlock those traits of life. And that only comes through self-healing and self-love. But I hope that helps you. And that's the end of that question. But I just hope that everybody can get to the point where they at least are confident and they're comfortable with themselves. Too many times I see people walking around like they're a broken human being. I can see right through people sometimes. And it hurts me to see people hurting. It hurts me to see people have low self-esteem, because everything is within you. You can be the most powerful person in the world. But if you don't believe in yourself, if you have low self-confidence, these things are going to keep, these parasites are going to keep, they're going to keep sucking you dry. They're going to keep telling you that you aren't worth it. Negativity is going to always tell you that you can't do something. And that's comfortable, because you can sit back and then you could just relax in negativity, because actually putting in the work is hard. And once you start winning in life, that negativity is going to grow. It's never going to get easier, but you have to be able to learn how to fight through it. That only comes from yourself. But you can do anything you want in life. You just need the self-confidence. And I'm going to tell you again that you can do it. Never let anybody or anything, or never let yourself tell you any different. Gotta be able to have self-love. Gotta be able to be confident. You gotta be able to walk outside and not look like a broken vessel, a broken piece of glass. Be somebody that the world will fall in love with, because your gift to the world is you. Your personality is all that the world needs to heal. You just being comfortable in yourself and giving back to people, giving back to the world. I struggle sometimes with my self-confidence. I'm not saying that I'm the most perfect person on the planet. I'm probably one of the most jacked up individuals that I know. But I'm working on myself day in and day out. I truly hope that everybody listening to this can sit back, evaluate their life, and take the negativity out. If you don't take the negativity out, it's gonna be there forever. I love you guys. I hope everybody has a good week. And this is the end of this episode. And I just want everybody to just improve their life. That's my main goal. I don't care about clout. I don't care about nothing else. If I can get one person to listen to this and improve their life, then that's all that matters to me. Because we're so powerful. We can do anything. We can be anything. But don't handicap yourself. Stop handicapping yourself in life. If you keep handicapping yourself in life, you're going to always be at the bottom. Take that handicap off and enjoy life. Thrive in life. But that's all I have to say. I love y'all.